No, I'll be back. She knows me. She's like with the side of lava sauce, right? Yeah, you know. Man, looks the double.
So good.
Coke. I thought you were gonna do the chocolate shake. What happened? You can substitute for like 50 cents more.
Did I say I was?
I thought you said chocolate shake.
That's weird. I was thinking about it, but I was like, no, I have ice cream at home. I'll eat it.
Oh wow, I made the strawberry shake because you mentioned the shake.
Oh, shit. I was contemplating it. I was like, nah, fuck it. Right. I got peanut butter cup ice cream at home.
Lava sauce. I have like a minute of camera before it dies, so I'll eat this fast. I really have nothing to say about it. You guys have seen my other videos.
Yeah, it's the same video as last night.
Same video as last night, and the night before, and the night before that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this show on the road. So I have to go get back and get the second one. It's alright. I kind of want In-N-Out for a change. Oh, did I say that on camera? Yeah. I mean, I love the Crunchwrap Supremes. They're so good and delicious. They're magical.
Tell him that you're the dude Jared.
Oh yeah. I'm Jarelito. Corlito. It's equivalent of Jared.
You're El Jarado.
Yeah, I'm El Jarito.
Oh, so good.
Wow. Nacho cheese, so good.
Is it seasoned nacho cheese or just regular? Like at hometown, they have both.
Seasoned, it's a little spicy. Oh, sorry.
Well, spicy type.
Oh, they don't put out the regular nacho cheese anymore. It's all the seasoned with ham. Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that. It was only a weekend special, but
everything has ham, bacon, or pork in it. Like half the items do now.
Oh, yeah,
the green beans are seasoned with pork.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, after seeing Phil, like, reminded me, let's do breakfast on Saturday or Sunday.
You know, Mike was 200 pounds before he started eating at hometown.
And now he's 220. Wow, what's he now?
252.
No way.
Yeah. When he went to donate plasma, I mean, is it still called donations if you get paid?
Get plasma? I don't know.
Yeah.
They turned him away.
They said there was too much fat in his plasma, so they told him to cut down and come back.
It's not his diet, it's the fact that he doesn't do anything.
So he started P90X, did it for 30 days. He's still the same weight.
Oh, it's not called P30X.
He actually gained weight the first 30 days. It's all muscle. You should get a Crunchwrap Supreme. Go back there with me. Get a Crunchwrap after you finish. That's all you're gonna eat, a double, fries, and a Coke for the whole day?
I had a turkey sandwich before I came to your house.
Oh, okay.
The big one is romaine lettuce.
Nice. No mayonnaise.
Fuck no.
Mustard. Pickle.
No pickle. A little deli mustard.
Nice.
I always eat the fries before the burger when it's in and out. Nice.
That's the lava sauce. Yeah, I used to do that when I ate burgers. I'd eat the fries in the car.
No, just in and out. No other. I don't know.
Oh wow, you like the fresh cut fries?
It's my routine.
They're healthy for you.
Oh, that and McDonald's. I always gotta get the fries first. What happens if she don't remember you?
No, she will. She knew I got the lava sauce on the side.
Okay, well, what happens if she refuses? She's like, no, there's a 20-minute statute of limitations if you forget your order.
Nah.
Hypothetically,
I could call the company. I got one of those 88-cent Crunch Wraps.
Call the Better Business Bureau.
They charged me $2.39. I ordered 12 of them. They charged me regular menu price. And I forgot 3 of them.
This aggression will not stay. Oh man,
These Crunchwraps will put meat on your bones. Are you sure you don't want them?
I think I have enough meat on my bones. Have you seen me without a shirt?
Had such a hard workout today.
Do the rowing machine.
Yeah, I didn't have time to eat after. Yeah, I rode 1,400.